Across our cities, sacred objects like idols, photos, and holy books are being improperly discarded under trees, on roadsides, and around temples. This not only dishonors our faith but also pollutes our surroundings. The problem arises from discomfort in discarding sacred items with regular waste. Waste collectors, fearing divine repercussions, avoid picking them up. Over time, these spots become dumping grounds. To solve this, the Sri Kamakshi Aarsha Samskriti Trust, along with Rotary R.T, Nagar, and BBMP, initiated Udhvasana, a unique process that removes the divine sanctity, allowing for respectful and sustainable disposal. The process begins with awareness drives and community events. Participants bring divine objects to the venue, where priests perform the Udhvasana ritual to remove their sacredness. The items are then carefully sorted. Reusable items are resold, broken objects are recycled, and the area is restored to its original state. The response has been overwhelming. Hundreds of families participated, expressing relief at finding a respectful way to bid farewell to their divine clutter. Volunteers, recyclers, and the community came together to make this initiative a success. With collective effort, Udhvasana has prevented religious objects from degrading public spaces and integrated them into sustainable waste networks. This initiative is simple, cost-effective, and replicable. By partnering with temples, civic bodies, and volunteers, Udhvasana can be implemented across cities and towns, bringing both environmental and cultural transformation. Families and volunteers share their gratitude and satisfaction for a solution that respects tradition while protecting the environment. Join hands with us. Together we can ensure cleaner cities and a respectful farewell to divine objects. Contact us today to organize Udhvasana in your community.